Okay, class, this is number 20. We're going to try and get this so we can use back substitution to solve all these variables. So we need one equation that has a 1 in front of the x. We need another equation that's missing an x and has a 1 in front of the y. And we need a third equation that's missing the x and the y and has a 1 in front of the z. So we've already got some candidates for us that we don't have to do a whole lot of work for. I'm just going to go ahead and write this top equation right over here. It's perfect as is. Okay, the next equation, I need to have the x eliminated. Well, if I look at the third equation, that's already has the x eliminated. We have a 3 in front of the y, so we're just going to divide every term by 3. This makes it y plus 4/3 z, and that's going to equal 13/3. Alright, so the last equation is the one we have left to work with. We're going to get rid of the x, get rid of the y, and we're going to put a 1 in front of the z. Okay, so let's first write it down. X minus 2y plus 4z equals 13. Now, in order to do all these things, we can use these equations over here. So what we're going to do is multiply the top equation by -1. So times -1. This becomes negative x minus y minus z equals -5. If I add these together, I get 8, 3z, -3y. Okay, good. Now we need to get rid of the y. So I'm going to take this next equation here and multiply it by 3. If I do that, I get 3y. 4/3 times 3 would be 4. 13/3 times 3 would be 13. Add these two together, I get 7z equals 21. My z then would be 3. Okay, and now we use back substitution to find the other variables. So I'm going to substitute a 3 in for z here. I get y equals 13/3 minus 4 times 3 over 3. This would be 13/3 minus 12/3. So y would equal 1/3. I'm going to substitute this y value and this z value into this top equation to solve for x. So x plus y plus z equals 5. X equals 5 minus y minus z. X equals 5 minus 1/3 minus 3. So 5 minus 1/3 minus 3, put a 3 under all of them. If we want to make it easy, put a 3 under all of them. This would be 3, 9. So 15 minus 1 is 14. Minus 9 would be 5. This is 5/3. X equals 5/3. Y equals 1/3. Z equals 3. These are my 3 answers.